If you have a spreadsheet that contains values with tests and numbers, and you need to extract the numbers to other cells, then you should note that you can solve this issue quickly using a simple macro. In fact, there are some options using some native Excel functions. However, this method that I will present here is more efficient and even easier. So notice that I have here a spreadsheet containing values with product codes, addresses, and other random data that also contain numbers and tests. Note that in some cases I have numbers at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the test. And this method here will work for all occasions, regardless of the position of the number in the cell. So to extract the numbers, I will do the following. I will access the Developer tab. Remember that if you don't have this tab enabled in your Excel, then just watch the video that I will leave there in the cards, where I show how to enable it. Okay, here in the Developer tab, I will access the Visual Basic option. And here in the VBA editor, I will click on Insert Module. And here inside the module, I'm going to paste a code that I will leave in the video description. So this code will basically create a new function in Excel called extract number, which in this case will only be used for this workbook. Once that's done, just close the VBA editor. And here in the spreadsheet, in the column next to it, I'm going to enter equal and type extract number, which is the name of my function that I just created. So notice that Excel has already found the new function. Now I simply select the cell where I want to extract the number. And to finish, I close the parentheses and press enter. And that's it. Now I'm going to use the fill handle and apply the formula to the rest of the column. So notice that regardless of the position of the number, the function will extract in a very simple way without the need to use complex formulas. To finish, you can copy this result here and paste it as a value to have only the result of the formula, like this. And if you are going to use this formula in the same spreadsheet later, then I recommend that you save your spreadsheet as Excel macro enabled workbook that is in XLSM format. Okay, I hope I helped, and if you like this video, I'm sure you also like this other video that I left the cards. See you next time.